Hi, I'm Joe Hysong. I'm the owner of Bike and Soul here in Angola, Indiana. Our shop's located right here in downtown Angola, right on the mound. The bike store's actually been in our community for over 30 years, but we've been the proud owners of it for the last 5 years. One of the things that we've done over the last couple of years is we've gotten into mountain biking. We go to road biking. A lot of our group rides start right from here from the store. We meet on Wednesday nights at 5:30, and we'll go out into the country and we'll ride for 90 minutes to 2 hours. We try to carry a lot of different products at the shop. Lights, we talk about lights and helmets. Safety is really a key factor. So we've got service also. These are our guys back here working hard on our bicycles. Customers bring their bikes in from all over. Here at Summer, they're ready to get their bikes tuned up, ready to go, and we got a pretty good turnaround time. Give us a call, or you can just bring your bike in and we'll take care of it.